Good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Well, like a lizard in the sun now, we're starting to get a bit of energy.
And we're heading to the warmth. It's so much warmer
it's so
than
good
it was.
now. It's 22, 23 and heading up towards 30 in the next few weeks, so it's great. Last time we spoke to you, we were heading for Coober Pedy, so we had an overnight stay at a place called Lake Hart, about an hour north of Woomera. Called into Woomera and then we went to Lake Hart.
We went there last year, and there was we were able to walk on the salt lake, but this time there was water in it. So
yeah, they've had a bit of rain. So
so it was beautiful sunset over the water. A lot of caravans, a lot of people camping overnight in the free camp. It's a good little stop. So.
Yeah, so then we left Lake Hart, headed for Coober Pedy. Had a couple of nights there while we're waiting for our friends that they're working, and they're finished for a break now. So
yeah, we were able to get our bikes off, ride around Coober Pedy, which was really great. Hit the Unadata track on our bikes.
Rode the Unadata track on the push bike.
Yeah.
Only a bloody kilometre, and then we turned around and went back. But anyway, hey, we done it. Okay, so an interesting thing when you get to Coober Pedy, or even a lot of places in the outback, is your water. So the big fours up here, you don't actually connect to water, but the water's good quality. So they have water fill stations, particularly at there's one at the Big Four. There's also one opposite the service station in town where you can fill up. It's about $1, I think, for 40 litres. And the quality with the way the water is as you move further up the centre, you really need to fill up here.
Like I'm walking over cross borders in different waters than I've been before. Though this is new, I feel like moving forward, 'cause this is what I keep on living for. I know it's not good for me, but you make it hard to speak. I'm losing, can't fight it, got no way to hide it. I'm falling in way too deep. I got something to say to you. I don't know what I feel, but it's real. It's the game we play. Do it for I got something to say to you. I don't know what I feel, but it's real. It's the game we play. Do it for I got something to say to you. I don't know what I feel, but it's real. It's the game we play. Do it for I got something to say.
Tonight we're having a night out. We're catching up with friends who we're going to travel up north with. We've booked a table just to watch the sunset up at the big winch.
feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip.
Honey, you got to bob down. Bob down.
Bob down.
Tom.
Why don't I give you double leg?
Oh, the poor fella, look at him.
Call him.
Tom.
Call him.
Tom.
Hey,
Why don't I get
Tom.
down the way?
Tom.
I think I got one there.
Tom. Hey! Oh, good boy. Good boy.
Yeah.
Last night we drove on to Kulgera at the Roadhouse and had a meal in the pub, happy hour, and met some locals, which was really great. It was fun, bit of fun.
Yeah, a bit of fun, and a lot of people on the road.
A lot of people in caravans.
A lot of people going back, going south. The Fink races are over. So there's literally hundreds, probably thousands of people travelling back, but it's quieting down a bit now, and we're heading for, this morning we're heading for Yalara, or Uluru, Ayers Rock, whatever you want to call it. So we're going to go out there again, and
we've got 4 nights out there, so we'll check in with you again. There'll be lots of footage.
Yep.
We're really excited to be going out here again. So
excited to be on the tar road like a big black snake in the warm weather. I can tell you, it's great.
we'll check in again soon.
See you guys.